Mira la baby.
Tal vez. Ahí está. Todo no, espérense. Era un cáliz, nomás por no, reco. Para abajo, arriba. Ahora. Ya. Ganó el video. Y así se era de Dios. Oh yeah. Vámonos de melón. Eso es la actitud. La actitud. El payaso nos rehusó. Las amigas y las hermanas. Sin tocar la silla. ¡Esto es muy maníaco! A ver, pongan la repetición si hubieran visto. Vamos un poquito más rápido. Y suelta la canción una vez más. Contrataciones francesas. Venía bien preparada, ella sí se quitó bien competidora. Aquí yo estoy viendo las que... Carla está como que no, ya salió. Ahora sí. En nuestra belleza latina 2018. Ah, no, perdón, estamos en otro concurso. Oh, ¿qué pasó ahí? ¿Qué pasó? ¡Las manos arriba! Ah. That was cold! That was cold!
Hi guys, well that's it for that video. I cut it off short. Too busy playing games and having fun with the family. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's it. That's all my videographer over here recorded as well. Didn't want to record anymore.
I was having too much fun.
I was craving this. Have you guys tried it? It's from Sonic. It's pretzel with cheese dip.
With their signature cheese.
Their signature cheese dip.
Not sponsored, but should be sponsored.
But anyways. I was craving it, so we stopped by and got this.
They gave me a French fry with the
We got the cinnamon one with cream.
Oh, eat the paper.
No, check it out. There's no more.
You ate the paper?
Ya es una monedita nomás, cabrona.
She ate the paper.
What was I gonna say? I had it down.
Tell me that. That looks good. Y me vas a dar con el papel.
I just want one more bite, and I want more of that.
Okay.
What do you want some of this?
Want sweet tater tots? You don't want any more tater tots?
We're good at mukbangs, so whatever. We're always eating and recording.
We should do an ASMR, like no talking ASMR. And you don't even have to do an intro, so you don't have to stutter.
Let me say it again. Felicidades, Claudia y Tacho, en sus 30 años de casados. Wow. Es muchos años. Ya mero los alcanzamos, y Pancho. Los queremos mucho. Dios me los bendiga. Y muchos más años por delante. We are so excited, you guys. We hit 200 subscribers. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. Yeah, we were so excited.
That's how yours.
So thanks for watching, guys, and supporting me. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. I got a lot.
Look at yourself, guys. Look at yourself. You can't look at yourself. Look at yourself.
What else was I say?
This mirror's either dirty or
And
too bright.
today's post notification shout out goes to the Bermudez family. Woo! Bravo! Thank you, Mipa, for always supporting me, commenting, liking, being the first one to watch my videos. I love you. I love you all. And until my next video. Bye.
Peace. Alright, let's go to Taco Bell.